when we learn about that the conduction, that time what we learn, see, the object should be in contact with the heat to transfer the heat. See here, for in this diagram also, this beaker is in on this base of this beaker is in contact with this flame of that burner. Means what? Here is the flame is in contact with the bottom of this beaker. Means here the mode of transfer it is takes place by conduction. ये जो ट्रांसफर हो रहा है that is the conduction. Here inside the water, this hot air rises up, cold air comes out, comes down, and whole water is get heated. Means here for getting water hot, this phenomenon it is what? Convection. This phenomenon is because of the convection. But after that one, the whole water is get rises, and this water is starts to boil, and vapors are starts to transmit into the air. These air vapors are moves into the atmosphere, or they are start to transmit the into the atmosphere. And here it is that the third mode of radiation is third mode of transfer of heat is takes place, that is the radiation. But how exactly this radiation is takes place, here little information regarding the radiation now we have to learn in this topic. See, means first mode is conduction, second mode is the convection. In this both the medium means mode of transfer of heat, medium is required. Then third mode is the radiation. What is the difference between this above mentioned two mode of transfer of heat and radiation? See that during the daytime what happens, the sunlight comes on the earth's surface, and because of that heat of the sun, all the objects which are present on the earth's surface, they are get hot. But question is there, you all know that sun, it is where it is present in the sun is present in our galaxy, means what? In the space. And from this space to the earth, these sunlights or rays of the suns are travel from space to that the earth's surface. But when it transfer or when it comes on the earth's surface, it has to transfer from the different layers of the earth. You all know that one कि जो earth surface है, above the earth surface up to the 25 kilometers only the presence of the atmosphere. Above that was the atmospheres become thinner and thinner, and in after that once we are to enter in the space, and in the space there is no air, because one concept also you all know that as we are move from the earth or move away from the earth's surface or move up from the earth's surface, then also the atmosphere is get thinner and thinner. Means what? Air is get thinner and thinner, and in the space there is an absence of air. And when this sunlight comes from that sun to the earth's surface, it travels through the space. Means what? In the space there is no air, means there is no medium to transfer of the heat. After that, when it enters into the earth's surface, means enters into the atmosphere, there is a air is a medium for the transfer of heat. But means when the conduction means when the transfer of heat is takes place by the radiation, it is not necessary to require the medium every time. The transfer of heat may be takes place without the medium also, means medium is not required for the transfer of heat, and such a mode of transfer of heat is called as the radiation. Means the sunlight comes on the earth's surface, because of that the radiation. Again one more thing is that when that you put the food into the utensils, after cooking that hot utensil you kept aside, and after that once it slowly cools down, means what? The heat from that vessel it transfer to the atmosphere, it transfer to the surrounding, and this mode of transfer it is also that transfer of heat into the atmosphere, that is also because of the radiation. Means what? In the radiation, the heat energy it is maybe absorbed when sunlight falls on the object. Heat energy is absorbed by that object and it get hot. Then means what? Due to the absorption of heat, the object is get hot. When you kept that hot utensils after cooking on sidewise, it cools down after some time. Means what? Means it transfer the heat or it radiate the heat into the atmosphere and cool down. Means here it is also what? It transfer the heat into the atmosphere, that is also because of the radiation. And then after that, means during the radiation, heat energy may be transferred, may be absorbed or may be transfer, and such a phenomenon is called as the radiation. And radiation, one big difference between that conduction, convection and radiation takes place is without medium, means transfer of heat takes place without medium. Such a type of mode of transfer of heat is called as the radiation. Means in a radiation it not require the medium. And here it is that in this setup also there are all three phenomena are happen when we are start giving the heat to that pot, that is bottom liquid is, bottom of that vessel is in contact with the flame, means here conduction. Water is get hot, that is convection. After water is getting hot, the vapors are coming out and that transfer or they are escape into the atmosphere. It is because of that the radiations. In your textbook also in exercise question answers, one question is given that diagram and you have to write down that where it is the convection, conduction and radiation is takes place. That times first of all if you clear your concept about regarding these three mode of transfer of it, then you will be clear about that. Okay, then I think so you are clear about that, the three mode of transfer of the heat. In the next session we will learn about that one, why we are wear the particular types of clothes in a particular season only, and that time we have to relate our concept of radiation in that topic.